How to remove your phone number from TikTok account easy way. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open TikTok app. Once you open that, here you guys will see that type of interface. So for removing phone number, simply click on down right side profile. Once we click here you guys will simply click on top right corner three lines. Once we click here you guys will see settings and privacy. Simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see account and fourth number. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see account information, password, passkey and other things. So simply click on account information. Once we click here you guys will see phone number, email, date of birth. So simply click on phone number, and here you guys can uh, remove your phone number. Like in your phone number it will say remove phone number or change phone number, that type of options. Simply remove your phone number on link. Thanks for watching.